In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Skype chats and contacts to Microsoft Teams. Whether you want everything to move over automatically or you prefer to export a copy of your data, I'll guide you through both options in a clear, simple way. This process keeps your communication in one place and makes the switch to Teams smooth and predictable. Let's start with the automatic move inside Skype. Open the Skype app on your device. On the home screen, look for the prompt that says Start using Teams and tap it. This begins the handoff from Skype to Microsoft Teams with just a couple of taps. If Microsoft Teams isn't already on your device, you'll be guided to download and install it. Follow the on-screen steps from the official Microsoft installer. Your system may ask you to authorize the installation. Go ahead and approve so setup can finish successfully. Next, open Microsoft Teams and sign in with the same account you use for Skype. Using the same account is what allows Teams to find your existing chats and contacts without any manual work. After you sign in, you should see a notice that reads, "We're moving your Skype chats and contacts." At this point, simply let it run. The sync can take a little while, especially if you have a long chat history or lots of shared files. Keep Teams open, avoid signing out, and make sure your internet connection is stable. Depending on your device and network speed, this can take a few minutes. When the process finishes, click Get Started. Your familiar conversations and contact list will now appear inside Teams, ready for you to use. You can browse your chats to confirm everything looks right. The layout may be a bit different from Skype, but your messages and people should be there so you can pick up where you left off. Now, the alternative option to export your Skype data. If you're prompted choose export data, you'll be redirected to Microsoft's export page in your browser. There, select export conversations and files so you capture both your messages and any shared documents or media. This is especially useful if you want a personal backup or need to retain a copy for your records. Sign into your Microsoft account to continue. On the export request screen, make sure conversations and files are selected, then submit the request. You'll see a confirmation that says your export is being prepared. Processing time varies, so check back later. Once it's ready, the download link will appear on that page. Save the archive in a safe location, and that's it. Using the in-app move, your Skype chats and contacts are brought into Teams, or with the export method, your data is packaged for download. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Skype tips and tutorials.